Okay, so we're going to use Excel to calculate monthly repayments on a mortgage with a fixed interest rate. We're going to do this with Excel's PMT function. I've written down some labels for the data that we're going to need to store to make this calculation. I'm going to start off by putting in the mortgage amount. So we'll have that as 120,000. I'll do a little bit of formatting. Our term is going to be 25 years, so we're paying the mortgage off over 25 years. But I do need to express the term in months, as we're working out monthly repayments. So it's 25 times 12, which is 300 months. Our interest rate is going to be 2.99%. And there we have our data. So I'm ready to make my calculation. I'll start off by clicking on the FX button on the formula bar, and I've actually already got my PMT function listed in my recently used functions. If it doesn't appear there for you, you can type in PMT at the top in our search box, click on go, and it will find the PMT function for you. And double click, and it brings up this little box. So these are the arguments that I need to complete in order to do this calculation. And the rate is our interest rate. But remember, we're trying to calculate monthly repayments. The rate is expressed as an annual interest rate, so we've got to divide that by 12. N per is the number of repayments we're making over the term, and that's going to be in B4 300. Present value is the present value of the loan, which we've got down as 120,000 in B3. The future value is going to be 0. We need to pay off the whole loan. We can actually leave that blank if it is 0. If not, you'd have to type in the value. Type, this is to do with whether you're making your repayments at the beginning or at the end of the month. If you're making the repayment at the beginning of the month, you need to type in a 1. If at the end of the month, you can leave it blank. We will leave it blank on this occasion. And click on OK. So here we have our answer. Now initially we've got it expressed as a negative figure. That's not a problem. If we want to change that, we can just express our loan as a negative figure or a debt, and that changes our monthly repayments. Now I can easily compare different mortgage deals to see what my monthly repayments are. I can change the term, which would increase my monthly repayments but obviously save me a lot in interest. Okay, hopefully that will be helpful.